tries to vlog. Today I'm gonna try to cook fried chicken ni Gloc-9. Please join me and let's find out if it's truly lutong panalo, ubod ng lutong, so sobrang sarap, ubos, pati tutong. So come! The first step according to Gloc-9 song is magpakulo ng tubig sa kaldero and then timpla ng toyo, ng suka, and ng bawang. Ng siling pampaanghang, I used red bell pepper. And then, lagay na natin itong luya, asin, at paminta. And then, papakuluin lang natin ito at ilalagay na natin yung chicken. Isang fried chicken ni Gloc-9, dalawang fried chicken ni Gloc-9, tatlong fried chicken ni Gloc-9, apat na fried chicken ni Gloc-9, at 5 fried chicken ni Gloc-9. Pag mamulang-mula na sila, hanguin na and set them aside, tapos ilalagay natin sa fridge overnight. Tada! Tapos ay mapainit na tayo ng mantika at ikita na natin yung chicken. Isang fried chicken ni Gloc-9, dalawang fried chicken ni Gloc-9, tatlong fried chicken ni Gloc-9, at apat na fried chicken ni Gloc-9. Oops! Sikat na lang kung saan napunta yung isang chicken. It's done! We're done with cooking, so it's taste time. You listen to that. Hear that. Narinig nyo yun?
Anong lasa?
Lutong.
Lasang fried chicken ni Gloc-9.
Lasang fried chicken ni Gloc-9. And let's pair it with the tutong. Sarap!
Sobrang sarap.
Ulit na. Parang tanga mo yung chef.
Yup!
There, all the way down. So sobrang sarap. Simot, pati tutong. So there, totoo nga na sobrang sarap ang fried chicken ni Gloc-9. You should try it. If you're watching this, it means you stayed tuned to the end. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Feel free to leave some comments below. Leave a like, hit the share, click subscribe, and ring the bell. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you all next time. I must say bye for now. This has been Sheena as I try to vlog.